Solitaire cache match history can disappear from view when the app has not synchronized correctly, the account session has changed, or the history feature is temporarily unavailable. By the end, you'll know what to check first, how to refresh your Solitaire cache account, and when missing match history needs support. Start by closing Solitaire cache completely and reopening it. On Android, open recent apps and swipe Solitaire cache away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the app away. Then launch Solitaire cache and check your match history again. If the history is still missing, verify that you are signed into the same Solitaire cache account you normally use. A different login method or account can show different account information. Check the profile or account section and confirm that the account details match the account you used when the matches were played. Next, check your internet connection. Match history depends on account information being synchronized with the service. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then close and reopen Solitaire cache. After reconnecting, check the history section again. The next step is checking for an app update. On Android, open Google Play Store, search for Solitaire cache, and install any available update. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Solitaire cache, and update the app if an update is available. Restart Solitaire cache after the update and check your history again. If you are using Android, clearing the app cache can also remove temporary data that is preventing the history screen from loading correctly. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Solitaire cache, open Storage, and select Clear cache. Do not select Clear data unless you understand that it can remove locally stored app information and require you to sign in again. If your recent matches are missing but older matches still appear, check whether the missing games were completed, cancelled, or interrupted. A match that did not finish normally may not appear in the same way as a completed game. If the entire match history section is missing, or specific completed matches remain unavailable after restarting, reconnecting and updating the app, contact Solitaire cache support. Give them your account information, device type, operating system version, approximate time of the missing match, and any available screenshots. The quickest troubleshooting order is simple. Restart Solitaire cache, confirm the correct account, refresh your connection, install updates, and clear the Android cache if needed. If your match history comes back, like the video, and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.